I've had my Ford Focus for a year. By chance, I got a central control screen. It just so happens the Focus doesn't have a big screen. Can you put it on the car? So I went online. I really found it. Discover this Volkswagen 180 console. There are quite a few models that can be transplanted. The popular Civic and Focus can be ported. Then of course I'm going to give it a try. So I started looking for tutorials. They call it customization. So what about their installation method? It wasn't published finally. With my unremitting efforts, I met a great man. He is also an enthusiastic Civic owner. He told me transplant this host from Volkswagen. The host needs to be disassembled. The circuit board needs to be cut. You also need to modify the reversing camera and wiring harness. Okay, let's start. Just put this host transplant to the new panel and make sure it is firmly installed. So we glued all the way around. Want to get the wiring harness. The camera and decoder are still relatively simple. I actually kind of like the old-fashioned mechanics. Then next step. The panel of the original car is a snap structure. You can use this tool. What about the four corners of the CD player? There are for screws, okay. And then you can pull it all out. Plug the new plug into the original car wiring harness. Try it, it's nice. System flow support, Bluetooth music, USB stick, mobile phone, wired connection. I asked my brother to take a look for me. Start wiring and install the reversing camera. This reversing image responds quite quickly. The most important thing is that the CD player has all the functions. It is bass, mid, treble, can be adjusted, volume increases with speed. This console completely pushes the Focus stereo. If you like this head unit or a tutorial is required, please follow me or leave a message.